Good morning, teacher Roxana. I am the student García Sayritupac Luis Alberto. My career diseño gráfico digital. My ID 0013611056, Ica, Peru. Today I am going to presentation my family. This is my family. She's my mother. He's my father. She's my sister. He's my dog. She's my mother. Her name is Carmen and her last name is Sayritupac Marcos. She's 48 years old, but she looks younger. She's from Peru. She has short black hair. He's my father. His name is Jesus and his last name is Garcia Barzola. He's 47 years old. He's a taxi driver. He's a happy person. She's my sister. Her name is Cecilia and her last name is Garcia Sayritupac. She's 23 years old. She is a student of psychology and is a very empathetic person. He's my dog. Her name is Amir. He has black hair. He's 3 months old. He's playful and faithful. My name is Luis and my last name is Garcia Sayritupac. I study digital graphic design at the Sayritupac Institute. My hair is black, my eyes are black, and I am very sociable person. Thanks for your attention.